So you just got your new Canon PIXMA MG2522 printer, but now you're staring at the box, wondering how to set it up? Don't worry, you're not alone. Getting a new printer connected, installing drivers, and printing that very first page can feel a little confusing. To help you with the setup, I'll walk you through everything, from unboxing to connecting it to your computer by installing the software. So let's start the setup process. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Begin by unboxing the printer and removing the packaging tape. Next, take the power cable included in the box and connect it to the back of your printer and the electric outlet. To turn the printer on, press the power button located at the top. Once the printer is on, it is time to install the inks by following the further steps. Now, you need to open the printer's front lid by pulling it out. It should look like this. Then, remove the package of the color ink cartridge and remove the orange strip. After that, hold the cartridge and make sure the metal contacts are facing the printer and insert it into the right side slot. You should repeat the same process to install the black ink cartridge into the left slot. Once both ink cartridges are installed, close the front lid. You're doing great. Now, it's time to load the papers using the following instructions. To load papers, we need to first lift up the small lid on the top. Take a couple of compatible sheets of paper and place them into the document feeder. Now, go to your computer or laptop and browse the official Canon website. Then, click on the Support tab, type your printer model in the search bar, and select it from the results. On the next page, open the Software and Drivers drop-down menu. Select the details of your operating system to get the driver's result. When a list of various drivers appears on the screen, choose the right driver for your printer and download it. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the step to attach the USB cable. Once that's done, you need to attach the USB cable to your Canon printer and computer. Once the installation is complete, open Settings on your computer and select Devices. Next, select the Printers and Scanners option from the left panel and choose the Add Printer and Scanners option. Now, it will scan your Canon MG2522 printer's name and display it on the screen. Finally, select your printer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.